Hi YouTube, DJ Mouse here, and right now I have an irobot green Roomba, and here I have an irobot scheduler remote control. This is for a scheduler Roomba, but it will work on this Roomba. So I'm going to go ahead and give you a little demo, if it'll work. There we go. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and hit clean, let it do a little cleaning, and then I'll start to drive it using this. There you go. Oops. Something. There it goes! There it goes. It's so cool. There it goes! Roomba robotic floor vac. I've got to clean this thing out. There it goes, next to my brother's bed. Uh-oh, that's not good. Sounds like it's going back behind it. Yeah, it is. There it is. It'll find its way out. There goes the wall sensor. Here it is. There's the Roomba. Unfortunately, it's bumping into the curtains. The cat. Unfortunately, this Roomba and a couple other of our Roombas have a habit of picking up the cat toys, and it'll just end up in the dustbin. Especially mine, which is the green one. And especially this one does a really, really good job of cleaning. So, how about if I drive it a bit? So I gotta turn it off. Turn it back. Now we're gonna do some driving. I'm looking at it. There we go. Straight, right, straight again. Make it run on my foot. This is Spot. There it goes. Da 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 da. Yeah, Spot just goes like around like do do, and then watch do 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 do, and then it goes do 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 da 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 da. So now we're gonna try Max. Max is just run to the Spot is just a little area. Clean is clean the room. Max means run till it's dead. Sorry. There it goes again. But I just like clean. It's a very handy little toy at the house. It's not really much of a toy. Oh no, it's gonna go back. I knew it. Has a habit of doing that. If you're wondering what other kinds of Roombas I have, well, I have this green one, which is mine. I have a white one, which is a Discovery, and that one's my dad's. I have a blue scheduler, except there goes Dirt Detect. That one is my brother's, except it won't charge the battery, unfortunately. It won't charge any battery, actually. And we have 2 first-generation Roombas, which are fine, except one of them is missing the tires. So you gotta get some of that. And look at it go! It's so cute. I especially like this one because it's got 3 colors: green, gray, and silver. Very little handy thing around the apartment. It does a very good job of keeping stuff clean. Oh, I forgot about one more function. Spot and clean. That is, spot and clean is just that it'll take it to the home base, but unfortunately I don't have the home base set up in here, so it's just gonna go run around looking for whatever. Oh, don't. Stop it. Turn it off, turn it back in. So I'm gonna go ahead and bring it back over here. Let me just walk over here. Sorry if it keeps skipping the signals. It doesn't reach very, very far. I don't know why they call it a scheduler if you can program almost any Roomba, including this one. But, DJ Monsty, see you in my next video.